Hello, and you're watching the Workshop Insider channel. Today you'll learn several techniques that will make you a real craftsman. An ordinary nail and a sheet will make everything much more reliable. And an ordinary sliver may also be suitable instead of a nail. Just pre-file the dowel and place the sliver. And here's an excellent technique with which you can easily hide the traces of woodworks. Ordinary wood shaving can also help you. Just place it and don't forget to sand it properly. And surely an excellent means of disguise can already be a well-known dowel. Quite often, while drilling wood, it can easily be damaged, and you'll have a crack, which is likely to spoil the material. Here are some simple ways to avoid this and make your work more accurate. And in conclusion, I'll show you several types of dowels so that you better understand their work and which one is better for you to choose. And as always, don't forget to press like and write us some comments. What exactly was most useful for you? See you in the new video. Bye!